The GoPro Hero series has long been the gold standard in the world of action cameras, and the upcoming Hero 13 is expected to raise the bar even higher. Building on the legacy of its predecessors, the Hero 13 is rumored to be packed with cutting edge features that will delight content creators, adventurers, and tech enthusiasts alike. The design of the GoPro Hero 13 is expected to be an evolution rather than a revolution, maintaining the familiar form factor that users love while incorporating key improvements. One of the most talked about features is the new textured surface on the front of the camera. This design tweak isn't just for aesthetics. It's believed to significantly improve heat dissipation, allowing for longer recording sessions without overheating, a critical feature for those who push their cameras to the limit. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the GoPro Hero 13 is its potential to record in breathtaking 8K resolution. If true, this would be a monumental leap forward in video quality, offering 4 times the detail of 4K. For content creators who demand the highest quality, this feature could be a game changer, allowing for stunningly sharp and detailed footage that can be downscaled for superior 4K content or showcased in its full 8K glory. This leap in resolution would also necessitate advancements in processing power. The Hero 13 is expected to feature a new, more powerful processor capable of handling the demands of 8K video. GoPro is known for its versatile lens accessories, and the Hero 13 is rumored to introduce 2 exciting new mods. The second rumored lens mod is an ultra-wide lens with an impressive 177 degrees field of view. This lens is expected to offer improved stabilization, making it ideal for capturing expansive landscapes or dynamic action scenes without sacrificing image quality. The Hero Compact is rumored to be smaller than the GoPro Hero 11 Mini, making it incredibly portable and easy to use. This combination of portability and functionality could make the Hero Compact a top choice for travelers, vloggers, and anyone who values convenience. The most credible rumors suggest that both the GoPro Hero 13 and the Hero Compact will be released on September 16, 2024. With rumored features like 8K video recording, enhanced stabilization, a new magnetic mount system, and a compact, affordable alternative, GoPro seems poised to once again set the standard for action cameras. Whether you're a seasoned content creator looking for the next big thing, an adventurer in need of a rugged and reliable camera, or simply someone who loves capturing life's moments in stunning detail, these new GoPro models are worth keeping an eye on. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the anticipated release date, and get ready to explore new creative possibilities with the GoPro Hero 13 and Hero Compact.